Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to tell you how can you get 100k gold every day into your Hamster Kombat just by watching YouTube video. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open Hamster Kombat into your Telegram. Then after opening the Hamster Kombat, you will get to see a bunch of options into this homepage. Now you just simply have to go over this daily rewards option, and after going into there, you will get to see this Hamster YouTube option. Now into this section, you will get to see these two videos today. Now from here, you will get 100k for each of the videos. Now in order to check, you just simply have to open this and click to check button, and it will lead you to the YouTube of Hamster Kombat. And if you watch this video for like half away or some seconds or minutes, your reward will be available. Just simply do that and it will show something like this. You have to wait 55 minutes in order to get this reward, because the Hamster Kombat system or algorithm will check that you have successfully watched the video. Then you will get the 100k. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.